stopping by. Today I'm going to be making these custom foam letters which I made as an arts and craft project for my son. I bought these letters, the one letters, for a custom birthday order, and once he saw them he decided he wanted to paint his own letters. So right now I'm showing you the difference between the foam letters and the store-bought letters. Of course the store-bought letters are of better quality. But if you're making your own room decor or your birthday decor, then these foam letters will work perfectly. So if you would like to learn how to do that, please stay tuned. So I used my Cricut machine to cut out my letters on a poster board, but you do not need a machine to cut it out. You can literally just draw your letters onto your foam board, or you can use your printer to do the exact same thing that I'm doing and just print out your letters to use as a guide for your foam board. But I printed mine out on the Cricut machine using a poster board, and I just copied it to the foam board. I bought both the poster board and the foam board from Dollar Tree for like $2 for $1. So if you have a Cricut, you can do it this way. If you don't, you can trace the letters freestyle, or you can use your printer as a guide to print your letters through Google search and just trace them onto your foam board. Okay, so I started out trying to cut this foam board with scissors, brand new scissors at that. And it cuts just fine, but what I did not like was that the fact that you can tell it's like crushing the foam. So what I decided to start doing eventually is using my rotary cutter. If you use a rotary cutter, it will go much quicker, much faster, and the foam will be perfect. So I recommend for this project using a rotary cutter, and it will be a lifesaver. I went ahead and made them capital letters because I just found cutting capital letters worked a lot better with the rotary cutter. So I'll recommend all capital letters, and they turned out pretty good. So I think I'm gonna have to put these up because he's just super excited about his own art. But thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, take care.